Hey, Till. Till. Pause it a minute. Sorry to interrupt your busy morning. Do you know what that is?
Is it a dummy?
Yeah, it's a dummy. And what if that was Mummy or Daddy and they were on the floor and they weren't awake and, you know, they weren't really breathing or something like that? What would you do you think?
I call an ambulance.
And how would you do that?
I would get the telephone.
Yeah.
Press 999.
Yeah, good. So there's a bag next to it. Go and grab the bag for me. Do you know what it is?
No.
Okay, open the bag up. And then pull the box out. What is it? Do you know yet what it is? Have you seen it before?
No.
What is it?
Is it a life pack for someone that might...
Well, you've just read it on the lid, haven't you?
Yeah. It's something that helps someone if their heart stops.
Yeah. It's got the heart, yeah. Okay, what I want you to do then is open the lid up in a second and see if you can follow what it says. Alright? Go for it then.
Adult mode. Remove all clothing from patient's chest.
Have you ever used one before?
Pull red handle to reveal pads. Look at pictures on pads. Apply pads to bare skin exactly as shown in the pictures. Press pads firmly.
Look at the pictures. Okay.
Apply pads to bare skin exactly as shown in the pictures. Press pads firmly.
Okay, I think they're pretty firm. Good.
Apply pads to bare skin exactly as shown in the pictures. Press pads firmly. Do not touch patient.
Okay, listen to what she's saying.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Everyone clear.
Okay, stand out of the way and then do what it says.
Shock delivered.
Wow.
Provide chest compressions to the beat.
Do you know what chest compressions are?
The heel of one hand should be in centre of chest. The other hand should be on top of first hand.
Good
Push
stuff.
down hard at least 5 centimetres.
Now, Till, was that difficult?
No.
Do you think anyone could do that?
Yeah.
Do you think everyone should be able to do that?
Yeah.
Keep
Awesome.
elbows straight.